day 21 of my easy 28-day declutter challenge. Can you believe it? You've come so far and I am beyond proud of the progress you made so far. Today we're diving straight into the kitchen, focusing on one of my problem spots, the spice rack. If your spices are feeling more chaotic than creative, then join me today on this challenge. Let's get started. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis, and I am an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, a custom e-design organizing service. This week, we're tackling the kitchen, a space where we use daily. And today, it's all about giving your spices some love and order they deserve. If you haven't already, feel free to download my free printable checklist using the link below and join us. Here's a quick sneak peek into what the 28 days look like and what we have accomplished so far. I don't cook, but I want to make the spice cabinet space I have less of an eyesore and more of an easy to find and easy to use space. And today, my friend, is the day to do it. Let's get to it. Spice selection. Start by taking out all the spices out of your storage area. Check expiry dates. Yes, spices expire. I feel like not enough people know that. Smell test older jars to ensure they're still usable. Keep only the ones you use regularly. Say goodbye to anything past its prime and that you haven't used in years. A tidy spice rack makes cooking so much more enjoyable. You'll know exactly where everything is. And there you have it. Your spice rack or cabinet is decluttered, organized, and ready to inspire your next meal. I am in love with the simple upgrade of our spice containers, the labels, and the Lazy Susan that I got from the dollar store. If you want to know what containers and labels I have used today, I've link them below just for you. Let me know in the comments what's the oldest spice you found today. For me, there was a few, which is very concerning. If you're loving this challenge, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss tomorrow's task. Spoiler alert, we're tackling the fridge. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. I will see you there.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.